You know, I love Suunto watches, but every time I purchase one, they seem to come with some challenges. Just learning hurdles to get over to the next thing. Maybe it's like trying to figure out how to log your activities, or maybe it's just like where to find good information on the internet to do the functionality that you want to do. Maybe it's even like playing music through your headphones from the watch. I had a heck of a time finding that one. So I've created these specific videos to help you understand how to use your Suunto 7. So let's jump right in. Hey, I'm John from johnlagordia.com. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here to help adventurers choose gear that will actually last. On this channel, sometimes I do outdoor gear reviews, from everything from tents to photography gear that you can use in the outdoors. I also do tutorials, how to use your camera, how to take better pictures, how to do better editing. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thanks, it means the world to me. All right, let's jump on in. So here we have the amazing Suunto 7. But how does it follow your heart rate? How does it know what your beats per minute actually are? Well, Suunto 7 uses wrist heart rate technology, also known as optical heart rate in other sensors. You can see here in the middle of the watch that touches your skin, there are LEDs that come on and track the blood flow in your wrist. It's pretty amazing technology, actually. However, there are some factors that affect how it measures. Some things that to be aware of is that the watch must be worn directly against your skin. So no clothing can be in between the watch and your skin. Sometimes you have to wear the watch a little bit higher up on your wrist too to get an accurate reading. Arm movements and flexing muscles, things like that, can actually inhibit the readings on the LEDs. Sometimes skin pigmentation and tattoos also block the light that comes out of the sensor. And in that case, it can also skew the readings. So just keep in mind that when you wear this particular watch, you may have to move it up and down your arm from time to time just to figure out the correct settings. So keep these tips in mind when you go to wear your Suunto 7, either during exercise or just on a daily basis. Now there's one other tip that I want to share with you, and that's wearing your watch a little bit too loose. So if you have your watch strapped and it kind of moves around like that, moves around a little too much, then you're not going to get accurate readings with the heart sensor. So it's really important that it's nice and snug on the wrist, like so. That will ensure that you get a much more accurate reading on the Suunto 7. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you need more pro tips on how to use your Suunto 7, just click the card above. We'll see you on the next one.